Today we are going to start with integral calculus. Some basic formula. Integration e power x dx becomes e power x plus c, where c is integration constant and it is compulsory. Integration e power ax dx becomes e power ax upon a plus c. Integration x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here n cannot be minus 1. Integration x power minus 1 dx is equal to log x plus c. Integration cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Integration sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration sec square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Integration cosec square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Integration sec x tan x dx equal to sec x plus c, and many more. Now let's do some questions. Suppose we are given integration 5 e power 2x plus 5x cube plus 6x square plus sine x plus sec square x whole dx. So here, as I told you, integration e power ax becomes e power ax divided by a. So it will become 5 e to the power 2x divided by 8. Integration of x power n becomes x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it will become 5 x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. That can be simplified to x power 4 divided by 4 plus integration 6 x cube divided by 3 minus integration of sin x becomes minus cos x, and integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Now consider next question. Suppose we are given ax square plus bx plus c dx. Rule says integration ax power n dx gives ax power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. But suppose we have a constant, suppose 5 dx. In that case, we write 5x. So here, it will become ax cubed by 3 plus bx squared by 2 plus cx plus a constant. Let's write it as c1. So this is answer. Consider next question. Question number 3. Suppose we are given integration e power x plus x cube plus cos x plus root x plus sec x tan x whole dx. So integration of e power x is e power x. Integration of x cube becomes x power 4 by 4 plus integration of cos x gives sin x. Here x power half. our rule, x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus c. Now consider next question, question 4. Suppose we are given root x times x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. So let's arrange the power of x first. So here x power half, root x means x power half, this x square. So it will become x power 5 by 2 plus it will become 5x power 3 by 2 and plus 6x power half dx. Now we integrate. So this will become x power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2, which can be written as 2 by 7 here, plus 5 x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, which can be rearranged and 5 can be cancelled, plus 6x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. This can also be rearranged, plus c. Now, next question. Question number 5. Suppose we are given root x plus 1 upon root x whole square dx. In that case, first of all, we have to expand it. So it will become x plus 1 upon x plus twice of root x into 1 upon root x times dx. So it will become x plus x power minus 1 plus 2 dx. If you remember, as I told you, x power minus 1 dx is log x. So, and x will become x squared by 2 plus log x plus 2x plus c. Now, let's consider question number 6. Suppose we are given sec x times tan x plus sec x dx. So we can write it sec x tan x plus sec square x dx and integration of sec x tan x is just sec x and integration of sec square x is tan x and plus c. Now consider next question. So question number 7. So suppose we are given integration 1 minus x times root x dx. So we rearrange it, it becomes x power half minus x power 3 by 2 dx. Now we integrate it, so it will become x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus c. This can be rearranged like 2 upon 3x power 3 by 2. Similarly, this can be written as 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 plus c. Question number 8. Suppose we are given x power 5 plus x power 3 plus x power 1 divided by x square dx. Here again we have to rearrange it. So it will become x power 3 plus x power minus 1 dx. And then we integrate. So it becomes x power 4 by 4 plus x power 2 by 2 and x power minus 1 gets log x plus c. Let's consider question number 9. So question number 9 says, suppose integration x square plus 5x plus 6 divided by root x dx is given. In that case, again, we have to rearrange it. So it will become x power 3 by 2 plus 5x power half plus 6x power minus half times dx. So it will become x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 5x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 6x power half divided by half plus c, and this can be rearranged. Now consider next question. Question number 10. Suppose we are given 4x square minus 3 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 6 root x dx. So it will become 4x cubed by 3 minus 3 sin x, and integration of sin x gives minus cos x. So minus 5 cos x plus 6 x power. This is half power. So it will become 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Let's go to question number 11. Question number 11 says, suppose we are given sec square x divided by cosec square x dx. So we can change it. So 1 upon cos square x times sine square x dx, which will become integration tan square x dx. But we know that 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. So we change it because integration of tan square x can't be found directly. So integration sec square x minus 1 dx, and this will give tan x minus x plus c. Let's see question number 12. It says 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx. It will become 2 sec square x minus 3 tan x times sec x dx. So integration of sec square x is tan x. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. Consider two more questions. So question number 13. Suppose we are given x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Here we have to factorize the numerator. That will become, if we take x square common, then x minus 1 will be left, and plus 1, then x minus 1 whole dx divided by x minus 1. So it will become integration x square plus 1 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx, and x minus 1 will cancel out. So we will get x square plus 1 dx. That will give x cubed by 3 plus x plus c. Now consider question number 14. Suppose we are given x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 dx. Again, we have to factorize the numerator, and that will be x minus 2, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 dx. So x minus 2 will cancel out, and we will get integration x minus 1 dx, and that will give x square upon 2 minus x plus c. Now consider two objective questions. So question number 15. Question number 15 says, find antiderivative of x square plus 5x. Here, antiderivative means integration. So we can easily find it. So integration x square plus 5x dx. So that will be equal to x cubed by 3 plus 5 x square upon 2 plus c. And next question is question number 16. It says d upon dx of fx is given as 4x cube minus 3 upon x power 4. And also we are given f2 equal to 0. Then we have to find out fx. So let's see how. So integration of d upon dx of fx equal to integration of 4x cube minus 3x power minus 4 dx. Integration of d upon dx, these two terms will cancel out. So we will get fx equal to integration of this 4x power 4 upon 4 minus 3x power minus 3 upon minus 3 plus c, that is fx equals x power 4 plus x power 3 plus c. So let's elaborate it again so that it can become clear. So we are given d upon dx of fx equal to 4x cube minus 3x power minus 4. And we are also given f2 equal to 0. We have to find out fx. So what do? We integrate it. So integration of d upon dx of fx equal to integration of 4x power 3 minus 3x power minus 4 dx. So integration of d upon dx, these two terms will cancel out and we will get fx equal to integration of this. So that rule x power n integration dx gives x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we integrate it, it becomes 4x power 4 upon 4 minus 3x power, this will become minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. So 4 will cancel out. So we will get fx equals 4 will cancel out. So x power 4 and 3 will also cancel out. So 1 upon x cube plus c. Now we are given f2 equal to 0. When we put x equal to 2, then result is 0. So if we put that value here, so 0 equal to 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 3 plus c. That is c equal to 16 minus sign outside, 16 plus 1 upon 8. That is minus 129 divided by 8. Now from this equation, we can get fx equal to x power 4 plus 1 upon x cube, and value of c is minus 129 upon 8. So minus 129 upon 8. So this is answer. Thank you for watching.